Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. Today's video to order the Geofy hotspot speed test and download test comparison between the Realme X1 Max versus iQOO 7 device. So this is my first time doing side-by-side comparison between both phones using the Geofy hotspot device. Let's see what are the speed tests and what are the download tests we can actually compare between both phones. So first let's explore the Wi-Fi options. So let me just show you exactly. So I'll try to connect to the same Wi-Fi hotspot, which is a Geofy hotspot in this case. As you can see friends, which is a Geofy. So both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network at the same time, as you can see. And now let me try to do the download test first. I'll try to download this application, which is a Spotify application. So let's see which phone will be able to download the application faster using the Geofy internet. Right now, as you can see, the iQOO 7 device was able to start the download faster than the Realme X1 Max, just a little bit faster, as you can see. So that is the reason the iQOO 7 device was able to finish higher percentage than the Realme X1 Max. And right now it's kind of close to 79% and 60%, 65, 89, 98%, and it finished installing, as you can see in the iQOO 7 device. The speed, as you can see the difference between both phones. So I'll already do the again. So let's do the test again one more time. Let's see what happened the second time. So usually I thought of doing one time, but just to take the round figure, so which phone has got what type of downloads, that's the reason I thought of doing the second time. So in the second time, the Realme X1 Max was able to start the download faster than the iQOO 7 device. As you can see, this is the second time which I'm trying to do. So now the Realme X1 Max is getting higher points than the iQOO 7 device. As you can see friends, right now 71%, but right now 80% iQOO 7 was able to finish the download again faster. That's good. So two times the iQOO 7 did finish the Spotify application downloading faster. Now let's see what is the speeds. So what speeds you can actually expect in this both phones. Let's see. Let me try to go to the search option. So let's start that search. Start at same time 1, 2, 3. Let's see what happens if we try to do the speed test at same time. So both phones are getting close to 10 Mbps of speeds and 12, 13 not bad. 12 and 14 Mbps of speeds. 11, 13, 12, as you can see, slightly close to each other. So nothing much difference we can actually see between both phones in terms of the speeds. And you can see the ping value. So ping value is also lower in the Realme X1 Max. So 26 milliseconds versus 31 milliseconds in terms of the ping value. And upload speeds, you can see the difference how it is between both phones, Realme X1 Max and the iQOO 7 device, as you can see friends clearly. And let's do the test one more time. So now I'll try to start the test individually. So first let's do the test in the Realme X1 Max once, and then I'll try to do the iQOO 7 device. In the Realme X1 Max, the speeds were able to get up to close to 25. So we're getting kind of close to 25. So as you can see, 25. So 25.1 in the Realme X1 Max. As you can see friends, 25.1, not bad. And once the upload finish in the Realme X1 Max, then I'll try to start in the iQOO 7 as well. So let's see in the iQOO 7 device what happens in the iQOO 7 device. So yes, so now let's see what will be the speeds we can actually expect in the iQOO 7 device. I'll try to do the multiple times. So just to be clear, multiple times, so then we can take the average, what is happening. So in the iQOO 7 device, we are able to see only 23.9, 23.8 in the iQOO 7 device, as you can see friends, in terms of the speed test. So 8 Mbps is the upload speeds we are getting here, as you can see, and 23.8 and 7 Mbps is upload speeds, as you can see. So now let me try to do in the test in the Realme X1 Max. So this is the final time which I'll try to do, and then I'll try to end up this video, keeping the video length only below of 5 minutes of time, close to 5 minutes of time. That is my target of making this video. So because most of the users, they did request me not to upload very long and lengthy videos. So that is the reason. And these are the final results in the Realme X1 Max. So once the upload finish, then I'll let you start immediately in this iQOO 7 device. So this complete test I have done only using the Geo hotspot only, Geofy device. So let's start, yes. So now we'll be able to see the results. So these are the top 3 results. And now in the iQOO 7 device, we're getting the speeds of close to 21, 22. 22.40, as you can see. So now we'll try to compare the top 3 results between both phones. So Realme X1 Max and the iQOO 7 device. So then we'll be able to understand what is happening between both phones. As you can see, so these are the speed test results between both devices, as you can see friends clearly. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video. And in this test we did get to know the download is slightly faster in the iQOO 7 device, but the speed test results are slightly better in the Realme X1 Max device when compared with both phones, as you can see friends. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video and see you in the next video friends. I'll stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off, bye.